Okay, good morning, students. My name is N. Srinivasulu Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Kalakurti. Today is discuss about partial differential equations. Subtopic of differential equations. Partial differential equations. Formation and solution. Equation easily integrable. Linear equation of first order. This subchapters. Okay. Today is discuss about some problems of partial differential equation, formation and solutions. Obtain the partial differential equation by eliminating the constants a comma b from z equal to ax square plus by square. Solution. Given equation is z equal to ax square plus by square. Put equation 1 where a and b are arbitrary constants. Partial differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get p equal to dou z by dou x equal to 2ax, and is implies a equal to p by 2x. Put equation 2. Again partial differentiating equation 1 with respect to y, q equal to dou z by dou y equal to 2by is implies b equal to q by 2y. Put equation 3. Substituting the values of a and b in equation 1. Z equal to p by 2x, small a equal to p by 2x na, okay, plus b equal to q by 2y, same as plus q by 2y into y square. Here x square square and x cancel, and y square and y cancel. Therefore z equal to px square by px by 2 plus qy by 2. Therefore 2z equal to px plus qy is the required partial differential equation of given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Next, again another problem. Form partial differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constants from z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Answer. Given equation is z equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Put equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, dou z by dou x equal to a, remaining terms are 0, constant, is implies dou z by dou x is putting z suffix x equal to a. Put equation, another equation 2, and z suffix x is saying p, therefore p equal to a. Again, and dou z by dou y equal to z suffix y equal to differentiate equation 1 respect to partial differentiate with respect to y. Ax mean 0, by mean b, a square b square constant 0. Therefore dou z by dou y, z suffix y equal to b. Here z suffix y mean q, Therefore, Q B is equal to Q. B equal to Q or Q equal to B. Substituting the values of A and B in equation 1, we get Z equal to Px plus Qy plus P square plus Q square, which is the required partial differential equation of given differential equation. Again, another problem. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions from Z equal to f of x square minus y square. Z equal to f of x square minus y square. Given equation is Z equal to f of x square minus y square. Partial differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get P equal to dou z by dou x equal to 2x into f dash of x square minus y square. Again x square means 2x. Therefore, P equal to 2x into f dash of x square minus y square. Put equation 2. Again partial differentiating equation 1 with respect to y. Q equal to dou z by dou y equal to f dash of x square minus y square into again x square minus y square differentiating. X square means 0 with respect to y na, minus y square means 2y minus 2y. Therefore, Q equal to minus 2y into f dash of x square minus y square. Put equation 3. Dividing equation 2 by equation 3. Dividing equation 2 by equation 3. P by Q equal to dou z by dou x by dou z by dou y is equal to 2x into f dash of x square minus y square by minus 2y into f dash of x square minus y square. 2 get cancelled and f dash of x square minus y square also get cancelled, numerator denominator. Therefore, P by Q equal to minus x by y is implies to Py equal to minus Qx. Therefore, Py plus Qx equal to 0. Therefore, Py plus Qx equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Next to another problem. We discuss about another problem. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary functions from z equal to f of x plus wt plus g of x minus wt. Solution. Answer. Given equation is z equal to f of x plus wt plus g of x minus wt. Put equation 1. Partially differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x. Z means dou z by dou x is equal to f of x plus wt mean f dash of x plus wt. Again x differentiate 1 into 1 plus wt mean 0 plus g of x minus wt mean g dash of x minus wt. Again differentiate x goes to 1 minus wt mean 0. Therefore, dou z by dou x equal to f dash of x plus wt plus g dash of x minus wt. Next, continue. Again, a partial differentiating equation 1 with respect to x. dou z by dou x mean dou square z by dou x square equal to f dash mean f double dash of x plus wt plus g double dash of x minus wt. Put equation 3. Partially differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, dou z by dou t equal to dou z by dou t equal to f dash of x plus wt into, again x goes to 0 plus wt mean w into w plus g dash of x minus wt, again x minus wt mean x goes to 0 minus wt mean minus w. Therefore, dou z by dou t equal to w into f dash of x minus wt minus w into g dash of x minus wt. Put equation 4. Put equation 4. Again partial differentiating equation 4 with respect to t, we get dou square z by dou t square equal to f dash mean f double dash w into f double dash of x plus wt, x plus wt again differentiating x goes to 0 plus with respect to t na 0 plus wt mean w plus minus w into g dash mean g double dash of x minus wt, again x minus wt, x goes to 0 minus wt mean minus w. Therefore, dou square z by dou t square equal to w square into f double dash of x plus wt minus into minus plus w into g double dash of x minus wt. I will take common w square. Dou square z by dou t square equal to dou square z by dou t square equal to w square into f double dash of x plus wt plus g double dash of x minus wt is implies dou square z by dou t square equal to w square into, put since equation 3 is what, dou square z by dou x square is what, g f double dash of x plus wt plus g double dash of x minus wt, same as I will put here same. Okay, therefore dou square z by dou t square equal to w square into dou square z by 2x square, which is the required partial differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Another problem. Form a partial differential equation from z equal to f of x square plus y square. Eliminating arbitrary function f. Solution. Given equation is z equal to f of x square plus y square. Put equation 1. Partial differentiating equation 1 with respect to x and y. P equal to dou z by dou x equal to f dash of f of mean f dash of x square plus y square, again x square plus y square differentiating, x square mean 2x plus y square mean 0. Therefore, P equal to 2x into f dash of x square plus y square. Put equation 2. And Q equal to dou z by dou y equal to f dash of x square plus y square, again x square mean 0 plus y square mean 2y. Therefore, Q equal to 2y into f dash of x square plus y square. Put equation 3. Dividing equation 2 and 3, we get P by Q equal to dou z by dou x by dou z by dou y equal to 2x into f dash of x square plus y square by 2y into f dash of x square plus y square. Here 2 get cancelled, f dash of x square plus y square also get cancelled. Therefore, p by q equal to x by y. Cross multiplication, py equal to x q. Therefore, py minus xq equal to 0. Therefore, py minus xq is equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation of given differential equation. Okay, this problem is very very important. Okay, we do practice carefully. By eliminating the arbitrary constant, obtain the partial differential equation from the relation z equal to x square plus a by y square plus b. The given equation x square plus z equal to x square plus a into y square plus b. Put equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x equal to p equal to x square mean x 2x plus 0 into y square plus b. Okay, therefore, p equal to 2x into y square plus b. P by 2x equal to y square plus b. Put equation 2. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x over, and again differentiating equation 1 partially respect to y, mean we get dou z by dou y equal to x square plus a, same as you write, and y square mean y to y plus b goes to 0. Therefore, dou z by dou y mean q equal to 2y into x square plus a. This implies to q by 2y equal to x square plus a. Put equation 3. Substituting equation 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get z equal to q by 2y into p by 2x, z equal to pq by 4xy, z equal to pq by 4xy. This implies pq equal to 4xy z. 4xy z. Therefore, the required partial differential equation is pq minus 4xyz equal to 0. pq minus 4xyz equal to 0. This problem also over. Okay, important problem. Okay, practice careful. Okay, next to problem. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating constants h and k from x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to c square. Answer. Given equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to c square. Equation 1 can be also written as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square plus z square equal to c square. Put equation 2. Partially differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, we get 2 into x minus h, again differentiate x mean 1 and minus h mean 0, plus y minus k whole square mean 0, plus z square mean 2z into again z dou z by dou x equal to c square mean 0. Therefore, 2 into x minus h plus 2z into dou z by dou x equal to 0. I will take common 2 and here multiply that side divides. Therefore, x minus h plus z into dou z by dou x equal to 0. This implies x minus h plus p into z equal to 0. Here dou z by dou x mean p. Therefore, x minus h equal to minus pz. Put equation 3. Partially differentiating equation 2 with respect to y, we get x minus h whole square mean 0, y minus k square mean 2 into y minus k, again y 1 and minus 0, k mean 0, plus z square mean 2z into again z dou z by dou y equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into y minus k plus 2z into dou z by dou y equal to 0. 2 I will take common, this side multiply, that side divide. Y minus k plus z into dou z by dou y equal to 0. Therefore, y minus k plus qz equal to 0. Therefore, y minus k equal to minus qz. Put equation 4. Okay, continue. Substituting equation 3 and 4 in equation 2, we get minus pz whole square plus minus qz whole square plus z square equal to c square. This implies minus square mean plus, p square z square plus, here also minus into minus plus, q square z square plus z square equal to c square. I will take common z square into p square plus q square plus 1 equal to c square. Therefore, the required solution is z square into p square plus q square plus 1 equal to c square, Okay, this problem is over. Again, next problem. Solve pyz plus qzx equal to xy. Solve pyz plus qzx equal to xy. Given differential equation is pyz plus qzx equal to xy. Comparing equation 1 with standard form, pp plus q equal to r. Comparing p equal to yz and q equal to zx, r equal to xy. Its auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Therefore, p mean yz, q mean zx and r mean xy. Substituting these values above equation, dx by yz equal to dy by zx equal to dz by xy. Equating 1 and 2 fractions. Equation 1 and 2 fractions, dx by yz equal to dy by zx. Here both side denominator z term cancel. Therefore, dx by y equal to dy by x is implies to cross multiply. x dx equal to y dy. Is implies x dx minus y dy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides. Integrating x dx minus integrating of y dy equal to integrating 0. X dx mean x square by 2, y dy mean y square by 2 equal to c. Is implies to x square minus y square equal to 2c. That mean c1 dash. Equating 2 and 3 fractions. Dy by dx equal to dz by xy. X terms cancel. Dy by z equal to dz by y. Cross multiply. Y dy equal to z dz. Is implies y dy minus z dz equal to 0. Integrating on both sides. Integrating y dy minus integrating z dz equal to integrating 0. Integrating y dy mean y square by 2. Integrating z dz mean z square by 2 equal to c2. Is implies x square minus y square minus z square equal to 2c. Therefore, y square minus z square equal to c2 dash. Therefore, the solution is f of c1 dash comma c2 dash equal to 0. Therefore, f of x square minus y square comma y square minus z square equal to 0. This problem also over. Okay, we discuss about another problem. Solve the partial differential equations xp plus yq equal to z. xp plus yq equal to z. Answer. Given differential equation is xp plus yq equal to z. Put equation 1. Comparing equation 1 with its standard form. Pp plus qq equal to r. Here p equal to x and q equal to y and r equal to z. Its auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Equating 1 and 2 fractions. Dx by x equal to dy by y. Cross multiplication? No. Same as integrating on both sides. Integrating of dx by x equal to integrating of dy by y. Integrating of dx by x mean log x plus integrating of y dy by y mean log y plus log c. Log c1 is implies log x minus log y equal to log c1. Log a minus log b same as log a by b. Same as log x by y equal to log c1. Logarithm cancel both sides. X by y equal to c1. Put equation 3. Again equating 1 and 3 fractions, we get dx by x equal to dz by z. Okay, integrating both sides, integrating dx by x equal to integrating dz by z. Is implies integrating dx by x mean log x equal to integrating dz by z mean log z plus log c2. Therefore, log x minus log z equal to log c2. Same as formula log of x by z equal to log c2. Logarithm cancel both sides. Therefore, x by z equal to C2. X by z equal to C2. Therefore, the general solution is f of C1 comma C2 equal to 0. Therefore, f of x by y comma x by z equal to 0. F of x by y comma x by z equal to 0. This problem is over. We discuss another problem, important problem, very very important problem. Okay. Given equation is, problem is solve y minus z into p plus x minus y into q equal to z minus x. Solution. Given equation is y minus z into p plus x minus y into q equal to z minus x. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form pp plus qq equal to r. Put equation 2. Put where p equal to y minus z, q equal to x minus y and r equal to z minus x. The auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Okay, continue. Dx by p mean y minus z equal to dy by x minus y equal to dz by z minus x. Using 1 comma 1 comma 1 as multipliers, numerator and integrate denominator, dx by y minus z equal to dy by x minus y equal to dz by z minus x equal to dx plus dy plus dz by y minus z plus x minus y plus z minus x is equal to dx plus dy plus dz numerator, denominator plus y minus y plus x minus x plus z minus z cancel. Therefore, dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, integrating dx plus integrating dy plus integrating dz equal to 0. Therefore, x plus y plus z equal to C1. Put equation 2. Using x, y, z as multipliers, dx by y minus z equal to dy by x minus y equal to dz by z minus x equal to x dx plus z dy plus y dz by x into y minus z plus z into x minus y plus y into z minus x equal to x dx plus z dy plus y dz by xy minus xz plus xz minus yz plus yz minus xy. All terms are cancelled. Plus xy minus xy minus xz plus xz minus yz plus yz cancel. 0. That is implies x dx plus z dy y dy plus z dy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, here x dx same as you write, plus z dy plus y dz mean d of yz equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, integrating x dx plus integrating d of yz equal to integrating 0 is implies to integrating x dx mean x square by 2 plus integrating differentiating mean d cancel yz equal to integrating 0 means c2. The general solution is f of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. Therefore, from equation 2 and 3, f of x plus y plus z comma x square by 2 plus yz equal to 0. Okay, this problem is over. Okay, all problems same as easy and important. We do carefully. Okay, this class is over. Okay, all of you do practice very well. Okay, this chapter very important after and easy. We getting more marks. Okay, thank you all of you.